Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you something. For example, for the students out there, this is the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro. This is a tablet which is really good for students because it is not so expensive but makes a good job. We can elevate our studies with the next gen solutions. This is really a level up. We enhance our academic journey with the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity processor and an AI capabilities of Google Gemini. We enjoy studies and recreation on a stunning 12.7-inch 3K display, while the quad JBL speakers delivers immersive sound. With all-day battery life and a quick charging, stay connected from the class to downtime. And study smarter with that. That means innovative learning. We forget the grind. With intuitive tools that helps us to stay organized and focused, we getting our work done feels much smoother. Easily switch tasks, find what we need, and keep everything in one place. So we are always in control. It's all about making life easier. We stay on top of things without feeling overwhelmed and still have time for ourselves. And we can circle it. And we can search it. Circle to search with Google. We discover a streamlined method for tablet searching with Circle to Search with Google. We simply long press the home button and draw a circle on what we want to search. We can use our fingers or with the precision of the included Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. And we can translate without switching the apps. Circle to search with Google. Yeah, instantly translate anything we will see on our tablet with Circle to Search in 2 steps. We're using our fingers or the precision of the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus for that. And Lenovo with Google Gemini. Supercharge our deals and the ideas. We stuck on a late night segment? Chat with the Google Gemini, an AI assistant, to supercharge your ideas. We get help learning in new ways, writing things as notes, planning events, and more. And the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus is included. Effortless, innovative, anywhere. With the Lenovo's Easy Jot, we can make up class notes or video screenshots anywhere on the screen in just one step using the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. Need to save a long scroll? Just select boom, boom, boom. Save it as a PDF or JPEG. That is easy at that, yeah? And reading. Immersive reading mode. Focused reading never felt so good. We boost our reading game without customizable modes and background music. We switch to mono mode for focus or chromatic for chill vibes. We add up to 20 tracks whenever we need calm tunes to focus, relaxing beats to unwind, or something upbeat for group study sessions. We have got the perfect soundtrack for every moment out there. And play harder. We can elevate the entertainment. From all-night gaming to endless streaming, this tablet has our back. Turbo system keeps things running super smooth with no lag and no drama. The display is fire, the sound pulls us in, and the battery lasts all day, so we can stay in the zone without stressing about charging. Pure entertainment with no breaks needed. And immersive visuals, rich sound. We can get lost in the action with the quad JBL speakers and the 12.7-inch 3K display. The high refresh rate and the brightness makes the videos pop. Every detail hits differently, of course. And mobile versatility adapts better. We stay flexible and ready for anything. Whenever we are studying for having fun, this tablet adapts to us flow. This keeping us productive wherever life takes us. And of course, it is nice with a lot of options for us. Entertainment and style, baby. We turn heads with this sleek, lightweight tablet, perfect for shoes, campus vibes, and coffee shop flexes. It has style for our study grind and chill time. This making the ultimate accessory to carry wherever we go. Or we have an optional 2-in-1 keyboard pack if we need it. This is sold separately, but with boost our productivity with the Lenovo IdeaTabs Pro ThinkPad inspired keyboard with a built-in trackpad and 0.2mm key conversion and a 1.5mm key travel. To type faster and more comfortable anywhere we go. And we have the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. This is all the classic charm and the customer convenience in the palm of our hand. The sleek design of the included new Lenovo Tab Pen Plus offers increased accuracy and precision, giving the artists, the writers, and the note takers more time to do what they love. And of course, effortless file charging. The Lenovo Smart Connect. We drag and drop our files across devices with Share Hub. Instantly transfer photos, videos, and docs between our tablet, phone, and personal computer. No cables or complication steps. It's seamless sharing with zero quality loss. This keeping everything in sync. And this designed for extra care. Oh yeah. What we have is a MediaTek Dimensity 8300 octa-core. That means 3 times A7153.2 GHz plus 4 times A510 2.2 GHz processors. The operation system is out-of-the-box Android 14, but it will be upgrade possible to 15. No plop to update until Android 16. We have 8 GB of memory, and in my version here, 128 GB of storage, but you can extend this, of course. The battery comes with a 10,200 mAh battery. It supports 45-watt quick charge. And we have quad JBL speakers and Dolby Atmos. We have a camera on the front side with 8 megapixel, and the rear is the 13 megapixel camera system. We have USB-C ports for charging, for audio, for reverse charging, and micro SD card slot for again the HDD more. USB port transfer speed are approximate, of course, but it is fast. And wireless all possibilities, 802.11 ABGNACAX dual band, Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. With Wi-Fi 6E certified, Bluetooth 5.3 and GPS and GLONASS and Galileo possible. The sensors, accelerometer, RGB sensor, gyroscope, Hall sensor and column counter. The display comes with a 12.7-inch 3K display with 2944 to 1840 pixels. It's a light crystal diode LCD, 144 Hz refresh rate and 273 ppi. And the dimensions of the pad are 189.1 mm to 291.8 mm to 6.9 mm. These are 7.44 inches to 11.49 inches to 0.27 inches without the camera dump. The weight is about 620 grams. That's a 1.37 pound. And we have a pen included, the Lenovo Tab Pen Plus. And optionally, we can get a nice keyboard on the board. The color is Lunar Gray, and we have 4-year security patches in the field, fingerprint or face unlock. A lot of compatible accessories are on the market for that tablet to gain your job with that. And this all and more brings this nice tablet to you for a cheap price. That means the focus there are beginners or, of course, students out there. This is the eDare Tab Pro by Lenovo.